cloud field right behind me, and there must be 1,000 gulls all just sat on it. But we've got looking this way, that barn owl, he's way over on that sheep pasture field across there. But he was on the fence post just around here when I first arrived, so just got to keep my eyes peeled. Don't know if you can hear the glass bottles, the recycling centre just... Wow, recycling centre just there. I see a barn owl, he's coming back. He's coming this way. Oh, it's so dark, I can't believe how dark it's got. Oh, that's a nice shot. I can't believe I just missed it land. Just missed land right in front of me. I didn't have the focus because there's too many branches in front of me. Oh, it's amazing. Too much of these broken branches in front of me, so the autofocus obviously snapped onto them just as it was hovering and landing right in front of me. So I've got some out-of-focus video of it, perhaps. I don't know. Anyway, he's hunting across the fields a bit further down there now, so I don't know whether to try and get a better position here for when it comes back up, or whether to edge my way back down there a little bit. Not sure what to do. I think we're just going to go down and see if we can get a gap between the trees down here. It's getting a bit too dark really for this, especially for taking stills. But I might try and get a little bit more footage of it. See how we get on. For fuck's sake. I'm going to go sit on a tree stump. No, not a tree stump. I'm going to sit on this mound just up here. So I'm in the middle. There's a few good perches where we might park up. And well, there's a bit of light. Get some more video footage even if I can't get the stills I want. I did think I just heard a voice though. I think there might be some people around. Could have just been some people shouting from over there on the over on the recycling. Sorry, I've just seen it. Over on the recycling thing. What do you call it? What's it called? Recycling centre. Anyway, the barn owl sat right up. No, he's not. It's on the move again. But he's sat right up there by the recycling centre. I'm going to sit by this tree. You sit by this tree because then I'm above the level of the fence as well then. So if it comes hunting past us again, we might well see it. I'll turn you around, have a look. So I am now above this fence line. And I don't think you'll see the owl from here, but he is sat on a fence way over there. He's flying about over there now, if you can see him. Right, we'll put you down. Can't believe how close he is. Can't believe I'm managing to keep him in the frame. 400mm. Shit, I just moved, he saw me. I didn't realise just exactly how close he was then. Was I obviously just watching him through the camera all the time. And I moved and he was just there. He was about 20-30 foot away, 20 foot. Anyway, he bogged off. He's gone down that end again. Don't seem too perturbed though, he's still hunting around. So we'll hang on a little bit longer. I was just about to try and get some stills, which is what I was about to say when I spooked him. Dope. This is awesome. I'm trying to film him, he's gone down there, he's obviously got something. He's picking it apart, I can just see the top of his head sticking out of the grass. Back up into the tree, well, a different tree. Wow, he's got a big old vole. Ugh. Down the hatch. I keep saying I'm going to call it a day and go home, but this owl, it just keeps on flying about. I love it. After eating that big vole, I thought that was it. It's going to go sit up and digest it. But it's not. Well, it is. It's sat on a fence now, but it's still been hunting around. I think we've got some pretty good footage of it. I think most of the still shots that I've taken are quite nice. I think I took a few of it flying, but more environmental shots of it just sat in its habitat. Quite small in the frame, but that's alright. It's quite nice. I don't know how sharp we'll be though, because the light's going. We're down to 800 for the second at ISO 5000. Yeah, that's crazy. I think I've probably had a good hour with this owl now. And he's still going strong, he's still hunting, or she. So I think we're going to call it a day, leave it at that. I'm going to head off and get my own tea, because I'm getting a bit peckish. But thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you somewhere.